After being unseated by Harry Roque as presidential spokesperson, Chief Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo is back on TV. Panelo has mounted his own TV program to fire off attack against President Duterte's bashers. The title of his program is Counterpoint.
Ito pong programa natin ngayon ay nakalaan upang talakayin po natin ang mga bagay-bagay na interesante, lalong-lalo na po ang ating mga kababayan.
In his pilot episode, Panelo came out swinging against Philippine Daily Inquirer columnist John Nery.
Ang presidente nagtatrabaho sa gabi hanggang umaabot ng alas 6, alas 7 ng madaling araw at saka lang po siya natutulog. Madalit sabi, kakaiba po ang patakaran ng katawan ng presidente.
Nery gave a commentary about Duterte's late public speeches concerning the COVID-19 crisis. If you want to hear more from Panelo, here's his invite.
Lunes po, magkita po tayo ng alas 9:30, ang programang Counterpoint. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Salvador Panelo, ang Chief Presidential Legal Counsel ni Presidente Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.